Well, speaking of personal, I thought I'd take today's journey on a little bit of a personal level. So I'm the father of three boys and have had the pleasure of coaching all of those boys in basketball. And I think most folks in the world of basketball understand what it looks like when you're coaching young children in the ages of 5 to 7 years old. It generally forms an amoeba around the basketball and just kind of moves in one cohesive unit, which is not effective approaches. So as we look at the journey and how folks can really start to unify their operations and to course correct to get to a place where they start seeing efficiency gains and they can improve the experiences that not only the member has, but their internal teams as well. So as we move through this today, I'm gonna bestow upon everybody here a little bit of basketball analogies. One of the things that's really important as you start thinking about the noise that takes place in the background. You may have coaches that are out there yelling at your kids, trying to get them to not follow just the basketball. You've got a parent that's yelling at a kid to shoot it because they want to see their kid score. So how do you make sense of, in the midst of all of that noise, how do we get to a place where ultimately we start seeing some semblance of structure and something that looks like what resembles real basketball? So a couple of areas, in terms of setting ourselves up and introducing structure and practices that ultimately can improve the outcomes that are being delivered. And I like to think about this in a couple of different ways. So first is just empowering the players, if you will, with guidance about what they should be thinking about big picture wise.